had gotten where I couldn't see. I mean, I would say, this is really fuzzy, and at night I really had a lot of issues. And I kept talking to Don about it, and he said, that's cataracts. I had been to my optometrist a year prior to this, and they had said, well, you have cataracts, but you know, we'll just put you in contact lenses in your left eye. And I put them on, and I couldn't tell any difference. And I realized if you've got cataracts, your vision's not going to improve until you have surgery. I didn't have a clue who to go to, but Don
I said, I know a good person you can go to.
Don had just sung Dr. Horn's praises, and so I said, well, I'll check him out. I came to visit him, and I was really impressed. He is so knowledgeable and has all kinds of options. He tells you what to expect, really puts you at ease. And then after I had the surgery, I could not believe how good I could see. I was blown away again by the staff, and they explained exactly what to expect, what they were going to do when you got there, and then once you got to the surgery center, they explained everything all over again and really put you at ease. We were at breakfast the other morning, and someone talked about sooner or later they were going to have cataract surgery, and I said, just do it. Go see Dr. Horn. It's the easiest thing you'll do, and within a week, you're going to be the happiest person around. Dr. Horn gave us vision for life.
Absolutely. Dr. Horn gave us vision for life. He did.